Whoa, check out this view. Well, here we go again. Off to another exciting food adventure. This time, Thailand. We're leaving from Melbourne Airport and flying directly to Phuket. I can't wait to taste this authentic Thai food. Going to Thailand! It's about an 8-hour direct flight from Melbourne. We're travelling economy on Jetstar airline. You may remember this little guy. It's film time. I'm watching Baby Driver. Not bad, on my MacBook Pro. Designed by women. Here's dinner now, great. Now, I ordered a beef and noodles meal using my Jetstar app on my iPhone, which kept crashing on me. I got a steamy chicken palm out of a cardboard box. We're landing at Phuket International Airport. Remember this little suitcase? Great, here's mine. At least you can't miss it. We're off to Yusen Maya Hotel, and here's our friendly driver. This van is dope. It's even got mirrors on the ceiling. Room seems nice and comfortable. What a view to wake up to. A quick coffee on the balcony, and off to breakfast. You gotta love fruit in tropical countries. It just tastes so much nicer. And the people are so friendly. A morning swim to work up an appetite. And then a quick trip to Patong. Patong is a beach resort town. It's lined with restaurants, bars and many hotels. It's crowded, colourful and loud with an amazing beach. I think it's the Black Wire. There's plenty of street food in Patong so you won't go hungry. Even the pigeons are well fed here. We stop for lunch, but first, a nice cold beer. So this is the prawn one with vegetables, and that's the massaman curry with chicken and some rice. Massaman curry needs to be slow cooked for a long time. And now for dessert, I'm having street food, a strawberry ice cream. It seems to be made with a custard and fresh strawberries that are crushed, then chopped and spread out over a freezing cold plate, giving it the same texture as a real churned ice cream. It's then rolled into scrolls and placed in a cup with the topping of your choice. Yum! Now back to the hotel. Check out the detail work on this truck. Time for a cocktail. Yeah, pina colada. Cheers. Seascape restaurant overlooks the water. For dinner we had Thai fish cakes and also tom kha gai, the chicken soup. It's now time for bed. It's a new morning and now we're off to see the amazing Villa Amanzi by Elite Havens. That's if we ever get there. It's a gated, secured community. How beautiful is this place? We've just arrived to Villa Amanzi. Make sure you see my next vlog to see this amazing villa.